Heart valve disease. Hello everyone, welcome to Intellify. Ever wondered why the heart produces the lub-dub sound while beating? It is because of the opening and closing of the heart valves. They prevent the backflow of blood in any of the chambers of the heart and therefore maintain a unidirectional blood flow. Your heart has these four valves. The tricuspid valve, which is located between the right atrium and the right ventricle. The pulmonary valve, which is located between the right ventricle and the pulmonary artery. The mitral valve, which is located between the left atrium and the left ventricle. The aortic valve, which is located between the left ventricle and the aorta. At times, the valves of the heart can be seriously affected, causing the heart valve disorders. You may experience conditions like strokes, heart attacks, and blood clots if the heart valve disorder goes untreated. But there are various ways to treat them and further prevent them from getting affected. Heart valve disorders can affect any of the valves in your heart. This can be caused by a leakage of blood, which is called regurgitation, or narrowing of the valve opening, which is called stenosis, or a combination of regurgitation and stenosis. Symptoms of heart valve disorders vary depending on the severity of the disorder. Usually, the presence of symptoms indicates that the disorder is affecting blood flow. Many individuals with mild or moderate heart valve disorders don't experience any symptoms. However, signs and symptoms may include shortness of breath, heart palpitations, fatigue, chest pain, dizziness, fainting, headaches, cough, and water retention, which causes swelling in the lower extremities of the abdomen. There are a number of causes for the different heart valve disorders. The causes may include a birth defect, age-related changes such as calcium deposits, a heart attack, coronary artery disease, a narrowing and hardening of arteries that supply to the heart, cardiomyopathy, which involves degenerative changes in the heart muscle, syphilis, a relatively rare sexually transmitted infection, hypertension, aortic aneurysm, and abnormal swelling or bulging in the aorta, and atherosclerosis, hardening of the arteries. If you are experiencing symptoms of a heart valve disorder, your doctor will begin by listening to your heartbeat with a stethoscope. Other tests that may be used to diagnose heart valve disorders include the following: an electrocardiogram, a test that shows the electric activity of the heart, an echocardiogram, which uses the sound waves to create a picture of the heart, valves and chambers. Chest X-ray may be ordered to take a picture of your heart, and a stress test can be used to determine how your symptoms are affected by exertion. Treatments of heart valve disorder depend on the severity of the disorder and symptoms. This includes getting consistent medical supervision, quitting smoking if you smoke, and following a healthy diet. You may need surgery if your symptoms increase in severity. It is always better not to shut one's eyes towards the slightest of unusual functioning of the body. Talk to your doctor about any symptoms you have that you're concerned about, and make sure you schedule routine checkups with your doctor. This will make it more likely that your doctor will discover any potentially serious condition in its early stages. That's all for this video. For more updates, stay tuned to Learn with Intellify.